Racing just is started with Boyo break quickly at the start. Big Daddy's Dream is down on the inside and on the outside now is You Got It All. Fleetwood in the middle. Jolly Cash comes next. Rising Star Baluvaran's Ride comes next. And on the outside is Something New and this ramp up. Viola is down on the inside. Valentine Rose comes next. Quick Storm while Flight Attendant is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back with Big Daddy's Dream by about 4 lengths. Fleetwood in second, and on the outside third, You Got It All. Boyo, Fabiola, Valentine Rose, Rising Star. Now moving up on the outside, Jolly Cash and this Ram Baluvaran's Ride. Then comes Quick Storm, and on the outside is Something New, while Flight Attendant is still racing in less than a 4 turn with a Big Daddy's Dream by about 3 lengths. And in second remains Fleetwood. And in third now is You Got It All, Valentine Rose, Boyo. And as they swing for home, we have Big Daddy's Dream this time by about 5 lengths. Followed by Fleetwood in second, You Got It All, Valentine Rose. Last 75 meters, we have Big Daddy's Dream, followed by Fleetwood in second. And finally, it's Big Daddy's Dream. Fleetwood close between Valentine Rose, You Got It All, and this Ram. Then comes Boyo for your Super 6.
Yan. Big